Cut to him hitting the curb. Yeah. We here, baby. We here, baby. They don't want me to put the helmet on, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the helmet. Yeah. That big ass nose. Dickhead over here. Cut too clean for a helmet. Oh. Damn, the camera died. Damn.
That was tough as fuck.
You got a good ass slap. That was a good ass slap.
Nah, that was crazy.
The sparks make it 20 times cooler.
Fuck. I'm trying to get close to that. I can't see it.
My trunk! My trunk! Damn. They both home and going at the same time. The exact same time. What? Bro.
Hold on, my flash on. You mind?
He stopped to put on his headlights. Alright. Alright.
There we go. Yup, that was cool and all, but y'all see the Red Bull van? For sure. Hold on. Hold on. There it is.
Got tossed around, man. My trunk open in and shit.
Yeah. Oh, this a manual? Hey.
The last lap of the day, boys. Last lap. Nigga want you to record it.
Like this? You want?
Alright.
It's gonna be this way.
My
when I
fucking
try
trunk
to
open,
record.
bro. Come on, do me a favor.
Alright, Jay. Nah, the Slim. I feel like I'm gonna send you the bill for my cones that we use. I'm gonna send you the invoice, so I'm gonna charge you extra for hit.
Nah. You just charging for one cone.
Yeah, but yeah, this the tow rig here.
Oh shit. Fuck.
That's 450. This bitch ain't even a 350.
But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Cut to him hitting the curb again. You know what? I got it actually.
Alright, we just finished a little drift session. Got some battle scars. Got a little mark right there. Got the exhaust pretty well on the curb, but it ran good. It ran good. No problem, no issues. Tow rig bird out here. What's up with you, bro?
Listen, bro. You don't leave here in the next 5 minutes, I'm calling the cops.
Hold on.
Now this here is going on my screen saver. Hold on.
Alright, boys. We just got done drifting the Genesis. We're at Drive Shack now. Elliot joining us. Elliot don't even know I got a YouTube channel. He don't even know about that.
Nigga, I did not know that.
No one know I got a YouTube channel. I'm a secret vlogger. Shh, don't let no one know. I said we had Drive Shack with the boys. Everyone's inside already. I'm showing up a little bit late, but I'm gonna catch up with.
Damn, am I like... Dude, no way I'm moving that much. That's gotta be the camera. Bro, I'm not moving that much. What the fuck? What is he looking at?